Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Microsoft Store not opening on Windows 11. So first, all you need to do here is go to Start menu icon and then go to Settings. Now from Settings, and then from here, click on these apps, and then under your apps, you need to click on Installed Apps. And then you'll find all your installed apps right here. So go to that section, search apps, and try to type right here Microsoft Store. Now, once you found the app, all you need to do is click on the three dots and click on Advanced Options. And then from here, we need to scroll down until you find the Reset option. As you can see here, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. So just click this repair button and then we just wait until a few seconds. And once you've done that, you'll find another one right here. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. So click this reset. And then it says right here, this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So try to click this reset button and start to resetting this app. Now, once you've done resetting this application here, all you need to do is go back to your home screen and then try to open the search box at the bottom left corner of your screen and try to type right here WS reset. And then you'll find this one right here, run command. So just click this open and then it will reopen your Microsoft Store. So that's how you basically fix your Microsoft Store not opening on Windows 11. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.